Hello, guys. Today we are here to talk for a social cause which is very much familiar in our society, which is child abuse. We are seeing in our daily life as well, on the tea shops, in the offices, in the bars, everywhere, wherever the people are not following rules and regulation which are to be given by government. These childs are abused daily. The girls which is showing, she is saying, if you tell anyone, which means after that he got dead. These children are facing very much issues, but everyone is working for their own. But I think there is a change required in our society. So we are here with something to tell you, to aware you about it, how this is destroying our roots of the society. Every child is innocent. Save them from fear. When we see this data, this will give a clear instruction how these children are to be affected due to the mishappening in their childhood. According to it, 25% of children are getting pregnant. 40% of these men are in prison due to child abusing. Out of 3 victims, they are less than 4-year olds. What we can say? So this is increasing day by day in our society, but we can take a change. So join our campaign. We'll be with you. We will work for the society. Not me, not you. We will work with together. Thank you guys. Join us on our link. Thank you.